I'm using Netflix in my browser, so I'm clicking on this three dot settings and I'm searching here hardware. So here you can see hardware acceleration option. So all you have to need, just disable this hardware acceleration option for your browser. Open your Discord and click on these settings and go to advanced, and also you will need to disable hardware acceleration for your Discord app. And after that, go to activity status and click on add. Click on this drop down, and if you're using Netflix using your browser, then you'll need to select here your browser. Or if you're using Netflix app, then here you will get app options. You'll need to select Netflix app. So I'm going to selecting here Google Chrome, add game, and here you can see Google Chrome has been added here. Now I'm going to opening a server, and after that I'm clicking on stream and I'm selecting a voice channel, go live, and here you can see I successfully started Netflix streaming in my Discord. If you'd like to see more helpful videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to Earn Minute. Thank you for watching.